Parsley help to restore skin tone by treating pigmentation, scars, blemishes, dark spots. Besides, it also refresh and soften the skin and regulate oil production. And it's super easy to make. Corn flour, preferable for skin care because of its nutrient contents. It contains vitamin B, which helps to get rid of the pigmentation in the skin, helping to prevent and eliminate dark spots and discoloration. In addition, corn flour helps to absorb excess oil from the skin, especially on the face, making it a good remedy for those with oily skin. Honey is incredible for your skin thanks to its antibacterial properties and hefty serving of skin-saving antioxidants. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention. Full of antioxidants, it is great for slowing down aging. It is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow. Honey is clarifying because it opens up pores, making them easy to unclog. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, so they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Vitamin C is a great antioxidant for neutralizing free radicals and boosting collagen production. That means it can help lighten dark spots. Coconut oil has benefits for your skin, including reducing inflammation, keeping skin moisturized and helping heal wounds. The medium-chain fatty acids found in coconut oil also possess antimicrobial properties that can help treat acne and protect the skin from harmful bacteria. 2 cups of water. How to prepare? Chop the parsley into small pieces. Add 2 cups of water. And put it on warm temperature for 10 minutes. After that, filter half of the amount, save the parsley juice and use it later with a cotton ball. Sweep it on your face, it helps to cleanse the face. We put the remaining amount in the mixer, then we filter it until we get the juice. We put 2 tablespoons of corn flour to the parsley juice, and put them on low heat until the mixture becomes creamy. We add half teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of lemon juice, mix the mixture for 30 seconds. It is still good to use for 3 weeks if you store it in the fridge. Apply on your face for 45 minutes, rinse your face after that, use it daily for a week. You will feel the change from the first use. Thank you for watching, subscribe and like for more beauty and health recipes.